emyaka kikagenda ndakuma mukune komwana murebe I'm sorry, I wanna tell my story. Leave my way, make a way for me. Leave my way, go away. Yeah, it's like a tuniga, stretching up to me. Let me just shaka to score, we are so blessed. We got a friend indeed. Be my friend indeed. I'll be your friend indeed. Kuzasa mkono numtobale. Tukwanu sumchene wanchakare. Tuturugare ye. Taituru kuzowanare. I'm sorry. I wanna change my story. Make a way for me. Leave my way, When canyo tere kokora yenchenta kure misekto munda. When canyo tere kokora yenchenta kure misekto ganda. I'm not competing and I'm not complaining. Even when they are cheating, ninyenda kubaje. Shetamba connection bendera kubani weni onsongare babaziro bamanyise kamba mani papa sotisha kwechangane bikuru syambe mazire nyombo segazo bobukwe pankande barutwara ndahire wenda kwifuka wenda kuzana niko kwegama onyete kubanjire. Let it be, let it be. Aging within my dream. Let it be like this forever. Aging within my dream. When you take what honey chain papa bebe history. Yamure biri jota bitina ngure yori kari umukono ngugotagwa honey chain kubeke bendera yajirukundo tekashara simate kumeke ura tekayokum irakunomur tinotirombero tashasha let it be, let it be. Aging within my dream. What is? When this one generation, Setamba, Setamba. Kubani weni yonshongare babaziro bamanyise. Ramba mani papa sotisha kwechangane bikuru syambi mazire. Nyombo segazo bobukwe pankande barutwara ndahire. Wina kuka wina kuzana niko kwegama onyete kubanjire. Aging within my dream. Let it be like this forever. Story nyabure birijota bitina yorekari omukono ngugotagwa uhanitse nkube nkebendera ejirukundo tekashara buzima comme fantasy tino jirombero tashasha
James Kavuma, I'm the district manager for District West, and today I'm sitting in for the MD. Today we are launching the new look of Ego Extra, our #1 brand, and as you know, this is the biggest brand in the country. we've changed the bottle from the Euro bottle to what we call the Polish bottle, the long neck bottle. We're listening to our consumers. As you know, our market is very dynamic and long, that we changed the beer into a bottle that our consumers have been asking us for years now. From around 2021, we went out and asked the consumers, what change would you like to see with this brand going forward? And one of the big asks they made was for them to see their favorite beer in a Polish bottle. And today this is what we're unveiling in Mbarara. We've changed the beer from the Euro bottle to the Polish bottle. The beer remains the same old taste, and what is more exciting is that it remains at the same price. Made from Ugandan ingredients. Our farmers across the country, from Kabale to Soroti, grow the sorghum that we use, and want to assure you, our farmers, that we shall continue to support you and support the farming communities as we continue to provide the #1 brand, Eagle Extra, for all of us.